Years ago, there was a big brouhaha about WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment. People argued and argued as to whether it was fake or not. Then, they admitted that it was, and people still love watching it anyway. They love their wild masks and helmets, and today we're going to draw one of them. It's a mask with black and red, and it looks a bit nasty, but don't be scared of it. It's going to be fun to draw. Let's go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Hope this has been useful. Please do subscribe.